is Russell Curtis, and on behalf of the City of Durban, we're pleased to invite you to the forthcoming AASW, African Agri-Science Week, to be hosted in my city of Durban during the first week of June 2023. I'm here inviting you on behalf of business in Durban and KwaZulu-Natal, government of KwaZulu-Natal and Durban, and the local communities who will be partnering. This is a continental event, and so the invitation is for all Africans to come, join us and join hands in further exploring the opportunities in research and development for agriculture, in commercialization of the agriculture intellectual properties, and further scaling up in agriculture into industrial investments which bring food to the tables across the continent. We can feed ourselves and we can feed the rest of the world. Come and do it with us in the city of Durban, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa.